Ever wondered why someone would spend countless hours trying to break into a system just to fix it? Well, welcome to the intriguing world of ethical hacking. This is a realm where the good guys wear the hacker's hat, using their skills not for nefarious purposes but to bolster system security. In essence, ethical hackers are the unsung heroes of the cyber world. They're the digital version of a locksmith testing a lock for vulnerabilities. They dive into the depths of a system, meticulously seeking out weak points that could be exploited by malicious hackers. Their mission? To identify these vulnerabilities before the bad guys do, and take corrective action. Unlike their counterparts, these white hat hackers don't just find the cracks, they mend them. They're the guardians of our digital world, constantly in the background, strengthening the walls that keep our data safe. So why would someone choose this path? Let's delve into the motives behind ethical hacking. Picture this: a teenager, intrigued by the internet's vast expanse, decides to test his skills by hacking into his school's network. This isn't the tale of a malicious prankster seeking to wreak havoc, but rather a story about a curious mind exploring the digital frontier. This young individual, let's call him Alex, was always fascinated by the digital world. He saw it as an intricate puzzle, waiting to be solved. One day, his curiosity led him to test his school's cybersecurity system. He wanted to know if he could bypass the system's defenses and access restricted areas of the network. Alex didn't aim to cause harm. On the contrary, his curiosity was driven by a desire to learn and understand how these complex systems worked. And so, armed with his laptop and a healthy dose of curiosity, Alex embarked on his ethical hacking journey. His efforts led him to discover significant vulnerabilities in his school's network. He found that with just a few keystrokes, he could access sensitive information. This revelation was startling, but Alex didn't exploit these vulnerabilities for personal gain. Instead, he did something unexpected. Alex reported his findings to the school's administration, explaining how he had managed to penetrate the network and what potential dangers this could pose. He suggested ways to improve the system's security, thereby turning his ethical hacking experiment into a valuable lesson for his school. The school was surprised, to say the least, but took Alex's findings seriously. They implemented his suggestions, fortifying their network security, and even recognized Alex's skills, encouraging him to pursue his interest in cybersecurity. This story illustrates how curiosity can be a powerful motive for ethical hacking. Alex's curiosity not only led him to uncover serious security flaws but also improved the school's cybersecurity measures. He turned his curiosity into a force for good, using his skills to protect rather than to harm. This case demonstrates how curiosity can lead to ethical hacking, but what happens when the motive is more focused? Consider a professional in the IT industry, unsatisfied with their job and seeking a more exciting career. Let's call this individual Alex. Alex was a competent IT professional, but the monotony of the daily grind left him yearning for something more challenging, more impactful. That's when ethical hacking caught his eye. The world of cybersecurity was rapidly evolving, and the demand for skilled ethical hackers was on the rise. Alex saw this as a golden opportunity to turn his passion for technology into a career that was not only fulfilling but also made a real difference in the world. So, Alex decided to take the plunge. He started by learning the basics, immersing himself in the intricate world of cybersecurity. He practiced his skills, honed his knowledge, and before long he was ready to put his expertise to the test. Alex soon found himself aiding businesses in shoring up their defenses. He used his skills to identify vulnerabilities in their systems, and in doing so, helped these companies become more secure. His work was challenging, yes, but it was also incredibly rewarding. Alex was making a tangible difference, helping to protect sensitive data and keep malicious hackers at bay. But the benefits didn't stop there. Alex's career took off. His unique skill set was in high demand, and companies were willing to pay top dollar for his expertise. The more Alex worked, the more opportunities came his way. He was no longer just another IT professional, he was an ethical hacker, a defender in the digital world. And so our case study, Alex, found his career motive in ethical hacking. A world where every day presents a new challenge, where the stakes are high and the rewards even higher. His story is a testament to the power of career advancement as a motive. Career advancement can indeed be a strong motive, but what about those who are driven by a higher purpose? Let's explore that in our next case study. Imagine a group of hackers, united by a common cause, using their skills to expose corruption and protect freedom of information. Welcome to the world of hacktivism, where cyber skills meet social and political causes. Our case study here is a group of ethical hackers driven by the activist motive. They are digital warriors who leverage their technical prowess to maintain the integrity of the internet and protect users' rights. They are not motivated by personal gain or curiosity, but by a strong sense of duty to society. In the vast expanse of the digital universe, these hackers act as the guardians of truth and transparency. They work tirelessly to expose corruption, protect sensitive information from being misused, and fight against the infringement of digital rights. They believe that the internet is a global common ground, a space that should be free, fair, and open to all. Their operations are often covert, yet their impacts are profound. From unmasking unethical practices to preventing data breaches, their actions resonate far beyond the confines of the digital world. They are not just hackers, they are advocates, activists, and defenders of the digital realm. While their methods may be controversial, their mission is clear: to use their skills for the greater good. They embody the activist spirit in the realm of cybersecurity, standing up for what they believe is right, even in the face of adversity. As we can see, the motives behind ethical hacking are diverse and complex, just like the people who choose this path. So we've seen that ethical hackers are not just driven by curiosity, but also by career aspirations and a desire to make a difference. These individuals harness their motives and goals to expose vulnerabilities, strengthen security, and ultimately protect our digital world. The scope of ethical hacking is vast, reflecting the diverse motivations of its practitioners. The outcomes: enhanced security, safeguarded information, and a safer digital environment for all. Whether driven by curiosity, career, or activism, ethical hackers play a crucial role in maintaining our digital world's security. Who knows, you might be the next ethical hacker in the making.